Guys, we found this restaurant over here. Okay, it's really good. If you are in this area, come and check it out. Okay, they have good Turkish food. And also the service. The service was really good. You know, the guys who work over here are great. And it was very clean also. One day they were cleaning the floor with hot water. Good, good, very good. See? You know, the cafeteria style. I had a piece of lamb. Oh, it was delicious. So come over here and check it out. It's really good. Guys, we are here at the restaurant and they are making bread. Delicious bread.
Very, very good. Very nice.
Very, very good. See the oven over there. Look at that. This big spatula or whatever you call that. They put right there in the oven and it bakes. They make hundreds of bread over here every day.
Turkish pizza.
Ah, Turkish pizza. Beautiful.
Cheese, meat, chicken.
Guys, they are making the bread. Okay. They make the bread to serve during lunch.
Reklamı yap hacı. Cız.
Just like a factory. Here, hot and warm. Guys, we came over here several times to eat the food. The food is delicious. Today I had lamb. I'm going to show you the little lamb over here. This was cooked for 4 hours and it was tender as butter. Delicious, delicious. I can tell you that I never had better food than this here in Istanbul in general, okay? But the lamb today was exquisite, very tender, like butter. Nice. A selfie. Guys, if you like the videos, give it a like and write some comments. Thank you.